I picked up an old typewriter at a yard sale last weekend, drawn to its vintage charm and the promise of untold stories. As I began typing, I was struck by the machine's eerie clatter, almost as if it had a life of its own. The first story it produced wasn't mine. It spoke of a tragic car accident on the corner of Maple and 5th, a place I knew well. The next day, news broke of a crash exactly as described. I tried again, this time typing about a lost dog, and within hours, flyers appeared around the neighborhood. Each tale I wrote came true, leaving me both horrified and fascinated. Desperate to break the cycle, I typed a simple story about finding peace, but the machine jammed, refusing to let me finish. That night, I awoke to the typewriter clattering on its own, the keys hammering out a narrative of terror in my own home. The final line read, "Someone is